Alright, flat rate mechanic here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to program a coded GM anti-theft key without a scan tool or any special tools for that matter. Actually, what we did first, we got a jumper pack hooked on the hood just to make sure the battery doesn't go dead, because this is going to take 30 minutes. The video isn't going to take 30 minutes, but it's going to take 30 minutes and 30 seconds to program this theft key with the chip in it to the new lock cylinder that we installed in this truck. So the key goes in here. This is your pass lock sensor here, and the key here is coded. So right now when we turn the key on, our theft light is flashing, meaning it's not going to let us start the vehicle. So what we're going to have to do, this is how you reprogram this key, is all you have to do is you insert the key, turn it to the on position for 10 minutes. So you're going to need a timer. You're going to want to leave that on for 10 minutes. Shut it off for 10 seconds. You're going to do this 3 times. On for 10 minutes, off for 10 seconds, on for 10 minutes, off for 10 seconds, and then after that, you should be able to start the vehicle. And on this, someone tried stealing it, so we had to replace the whole lock cylinder housing. So if you have to replace one of these, you're going to have to go through this procedure. But thanks for watching. If it was helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the Flat Rate Mechanic.